Hey FlowFam, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a super spooky Halloween paper squishy cake. But before we get started into the first official episode of Flowaween, I just wanted to thank every single one of you for 94,000 subscribers. That is so crazy, because if we watch this clip. Also guys, we are almost to 500 subscribers. Thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my channel. I was literally thanking y'all for almost reaching 500 subscribers, and that was roughly a year ago on a Sunday, because that video was posted on September 19th, which is one day before my birthday. But anyways, the fact that we gained 93,500 subscribers in 1 year is so crazy. Also, when I do hit 100k, for the ones that don't know, I'll be doing a face reveal and a little Q&A so you guys get to know me a little more. So enjoy the first Flowaween video of 2021. The materials we'll be needing is paper, a pencil, some tape, scissors, a black pen or fine liner, some Halloween colors, and some stuffing. The first step is to take your piece of paper and fold it in half. Then you're going to start sketching out the top of your cake by just drawing a big triangle. Now that we have the top of the cake drawn, we're just going to take a black fine liner and outline it. Now we're going to erase all of the unwanted pencil marks. Now we can just make our little design on top of the cake, and I'm actually going to take my fine liner and my pencil and start doing some other designs on the top of the cake. So I think I'm gonna add a little border over here for the cake and make it all random little lines. Now it's time to color. Okay guys, so this is how the top of the cake turned out, and you guys are probably saying Flo, what is this? Where's all the candy right here? But don't worry guys, we're gonna do some little 3D add-ins at the end, and we're just gonna tape them on the top. So to not waste more paper, we're just gonna draw them out right here on the bottom. You can draw some whipped cream, some more candy, anything you want. Alright guys, now I'm gonna outline and color them and be right back. Now we're gonna do the bottom of the cake, so all we have to do is turn it around, and we're gonna just trace out the triangle based on what we can see from the other side. And it doesn't have to be perfect, because when we cut it out, it'll be the exact same shape. Now I'm gonna take my marker and color it. Now let's laminate. Now we're just gonna flip it over and laminate the add-ons and the top. Okay guys, so once our drawing is all laminated, we're just gonna take our scissors and cut it out. So now that these pieces are cut out, we're just gonna move them to the side, because now we're gonna work on the side of the cake. So all you have to do is fold your piece of paper depending on how thick you want the cake. Now I'm just gonna design the side of the cake with all of the sprinkles, all the layers, all of the Halloween colors, and again, you can add anything you want. Okay guys, you know what time it is. It's time for the spooky shoutouts. Here are this week's winners. Congratulations to you guys. If you want to be featured in next week's shoutouts, all you have to do is comment something nice. And here are the fan art winners. These drawings were so adorable, and if you want to be featured in the next video's fan art video segment, all you have to do is post a video on TikTok or YouTube and comment down below on this video letting me know you posted it. And yes guys, there was a double winner this week because of Flowaween. Alright guys, so after literally 2 hours of trying to design, sketch, and color this side of the cake, it's finally done. So now all we have to do is take our tape and laminate it, and then cut it out. Alright, so this is what we have so far. The bottom, the top, and the side. And my plan for this is basically I'm going to just split this in half and tape it on both of the sides. And then for the back, since I made a little green drizzle, I'm gonna make another side, but just make it plain green. I'm gonna go do that side right now and see y'all in a bit. Alright guys, I'm done with the back side of the cake, and now we're just going to assemble all of the pieces. So now to assemble all of the pieces, it's gonna be pretty simple. So I'm just going to take a little piece of tape and place it right at the edge right here, and I'm gonna take the long strip and I'm just going to place it right here. Then I'm just gonna bend it. Now I'm gonna take another piece of tape and place it right here. Now I'm just going to fold it right at the tip, like that, and I'm going to take another piece of tape and just place it right there. Then we're going to again line it up, fold over the tape. Now I'm just carefully cutting off the excess of the side. Now we're just gonna take the bottom of the cake and attach it to the two sides just like we did on the top. Alright guys, I've taped everything together and now I'm just gonna stuff it and show you guys the final result. Alright guys, here is the final Halloween 3D paper squishy. This is how it squishes. I think this cake turned out so cute and it's so squishy. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the first official episode of Flowaween. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave the post notification on to get notified every time I post a brand new video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!